Alright everybody, welcome back to Pete 60 Hot Chat Adventures. Today we are working on, Durango again. Needs a hub bearing. Newest addition is, we got this Quick Jack 7000 TL. I got the extension pucks there so we can get it a little higher off the ground. So, got the remote here. Had a leak at the pump fitting. I had to take it apart and put some Teflon tape. The hydraulic glue that you could put on the threads wasn't holding. There she goes. There's the first safety click. Almost there. There's the third one. We'll let it down to engage. Alright, engaged in the safety jacks. Plenty of clearance at the top. So we are good distance off the ground. Trying one-handed a tape measure here for you. It's a lot harder than it should be, I think. Anyways, wheels with full droop, a little over a foot. The frame is sitting right about the bottom, is about 27 to 28 inches off the ground right now. So that's plenty of height. That's a lot higher than a typical floor jack. So, well, time to get to work. See y'all later.